Make some money online, keep watching this video. Today I'm gonna show you this website that I found 1 month ago, and I was a bit hesitant to make a video about it at first because I didn't know if I was gonna get paid, but I actually ended up getting paid, so now it's time to share this method with you guys. Remember that you don't need any kind of money investments here to be able to earn. The only investment that you need here is your time. So this website called GoEarn.co. As you can see, I have 73 referrals and also 59 completed tasks, and I'm already earned a decent amount of money. As you can see, around $3,000 just in 1 month. So as you can see, you're gonna get this referral link, and all you have to do is share your link in Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and get people to sign up. And you're gonna get $10 for every person that signs up under your link. I'll put my link in the comment section so you guys can sign up and get your $25 welcome bonus. There is also the chat, which is where members of this website talk about how much they've made, and also if you need any help, the admins will respond in the chat. Here's a leaderboard. As you can see, the top person has earned over $500,000, guys. The easiest way to do this is to click on these share buttons down here at the bottom. For every person that joins, you get $10. And the most important part to earn money quickly, guys, is to do these offers on a task wall. So through here you can see all these different apps and services and different things that you can do, and they all have an amount that you can earn by doing the task. This is a method that I'm always using because the payout of each task is really high. Most of tasks pay around $30 and there is no limit per day. Just click the task you want to finish and you will see the instruction on how to do it and how much money you will earn after you finish it. Here they have even more different tasks, but I'm gonna show you how you cash out. You can choose all these different payment methods, you can find out when you will get next payment. This website pays to you every week, so as you can see, I've already been paid 3 times through PayPal. If you're a bit skeptical, let me show you my PayPal account. As you can see, here I have gotten 3 payments from GoEarn LLC. This was just a couple of days ago, and yeah, they pay to you every Monday, which is very comfortable because you always know when you will get next payment and how much money you will get. As you can see, next Monday I'll get $800, which is awesome. So I think that's pretty much for this video. I hope you learned a lot, guys. You can use my referral link down in the comment section below if you want to get $25 welcome bonus and start to earn money online like me. And please don't forget to subscribe for more related video tutorials like this, and please leave a comment below and also like.